Hey everyone, welcome back to Startup Sparks, your go-to channel for entrepreneurial inspiration and success tips. If you're looking to launch a business that could make you a millionaire in 2025, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing the top 10 startup ideas that have the potential to change your life. Let's dive in. 1. AI-powered personal assistants. Artificial intelligence is transforming every industry, and personal assistants are no exception. Imagine creating an AI tool that schedules meetings, manages emails, and even handles basic customer service tasks. Businesses are willing to pay top dollar for solutions that save time and boost efficiency. 2. Sustainable packaging solutions. With eco-consciousness on the rise, there's a huge demand for sustainable packaging. Think biodegradable materials, reusable designs, or even edible packaging. This industry is growing rapidly as businesses look to reduce their environmental impact. 3. Virtual reality fitness apps. Combine the booming fitness industry with cutting-edge VR technology. Imagine apps that transport users to scenic locations while they work out or gamify fitness routines. This is a space with immense growth potential. 4. Remote work productivity tools. The remote work trend is here to stay. Tools that improve collaboration, communication, productivity for distributed teams are highly sought after. Think beyond video conferencing, like AI meeting summaries or virtual co-working spaces. 5. Health tech for seniors. The aging population presents a massive opportunity. Startups focusing on wearable health monitors, telehealth services, or even robotic caregivers are solving real problems and making a big impact. 6. Subscription-based meal services. Subscription models are goldmines when done right. Cater to niche markets, like keto, vegan, or allergy-friendly meal kits, and watch your recurring revenue grow. 7. Smart home solutions. The Internet of Things (IoT) is changing how we live. From energy-efficient thermostats to voice-activated home security, smart home devices are in high demand. Think innovation, think convenience. 8. EdTech platforms for lifelong learning. Education isn't just for kids. Platforms that offer micro-courses, certifications, or even VR-based learning for adults are thriving. Focus on areas like coding, finance, or even creative arts. 9. Personalized e-commerce. E-commerce isn't new, but personalization is the game changer. Create platforms that offer tailored shopping experiences using AI, like virtual try-ons or curated product recommendations. 10. Renewable energy solutions. As the world shifts toward green energy, startups in solar tech, wind power, or even energy storage solutions are set to soar. It's not just profitable, it's essential for the planet. There you have it, 10 startup ideas with millionaire potential in 2025. Whether you're passionate about technology, sustainability, or innovation, there's something here for everyone. Which idea are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Startup Sparks, and turn on notifications for more game-changing business ideas. See you in the next video.